Ta-da! Whoa! Ooh. Wah-ha-ha-ha. Ha-ha-ha. Yay! What do you reckon, Bim? What do you think? What do you think? I think he just wants some fish. Ah, fish time.